HYPGEOMDIST or Hypergeometric Distribution. HYPGEOMDIST returns the probability of x successes in n rows without replacement from a population of n with m successes. So in this video, we'll generate the dataset of the HYPGEOMDIST and show the trend line. So this is our sample size will be from the list of range 100, 200, 300. Successes in the population will be from the list 50. So that's data validation from the list 50, 60, 70. So for the sample size, you have three choices, and the successes also three choices. Our population will be 500. That's our population. Now we generate the dataset using array formula, HYPGEOMDIST of the x values, where the sample size n and the successes in the population m and the population size capital N. And we choose 100 for the sample size and assume 60 in the population. So we have a trend line of the hypergeometric distribution. We can use COMBINA to generate the same trend line and dataset, which is our array formula, COMBINA of M, the success in the population, minus x plus 1 comma x. So that's the first part of the numerator. Now the second part of the numerator. So times combina of capital N minus capital M. So the population minus the successes in the population minus the sample size plus x plus 1 comma n minus x, the sample size minus x. Enter. So we have completed the numerator, the two parts of the numerator. Now we continue factoring in the denominator. So combina of the population minus the sample size plus 1 and the sample size. Enter. So we have the exact same values. So using combina and the hypergeometric distribution, we can change this to 200. That's our sample size. And the success rate, let's say 70 out of the population, 500. We can use 100. And we use 50. So this shows the use of combina, array formula, and data validation in generating the dataset of hypergeometric distribution or HYPGEOMDIST and its trend line.